Dear students, viewers and honorable guardians, Assalamu alaikum. You are invited to my online class organized by Waruk Rahmania High School, Waruk Shahrasti Chatpur. Now I am Muhammad Shahadat Hussain, your English teacher. I am going to conduct a class, and it is our English second paper for class 6 to 10. For class 6 to 10, this topic is very important for the students. Our topic name is article. Dear students, you will write down the class in your papers and memorize the rules of our classes. Let's start our class. Articles. What is article? A and the are called articles. A and the are called articles. For example, he is a boy. Here A is article. Number 2, he is an honest man. Here an is also an article. Here number 3, the boys are playing cricket. The boys are playing cricket. Here the is an article. Dear students, follow me and notice the sentence where or when we will use article. Where or when we will use article. Example number 1, he is a boy. He is a boy. Here the sentence contains a noun. Here the word boy is a noun, and we can apply article a before noun. Number 2, he is an honest man. He is an honest man. Here the sentence contains one noun and one adjective. The word honest adjective, and we can apply article and before adjective. That means if a sentence contains adjective and noun, we have to use article before adjective. And number 3, the boys are playing cricket. Here boys, the word is noun, and we use article before the word. Classification of articles. Articles can be divided into two classes. Number 1, indefinite article, and number 2, definite article. What is indefinite article? As a and refers to uncertain things, persons or beings. These are called indefinite article. That means a and are called indefinite articles. A and called indefinite articles. Dear students, example for the indefinite article: a man came here. And number 2, he ate an apple. Here a, it is an example of indefinite article, and here he ate an apple, it is example of indefinite article. What is definite article? Definite article as the refers to specifically person, being or thing. So this is called definite article. Here example, the cow is a domestic animal. Here the is a definite article, rules of a and an. Where or when we will use article a and an. Number 1, if consonant is used at the beginning of a word. Dear students, if consonant is used at the beginning of the word, article a can be applied. Article a can be applied. On the contrary, if vowel is used at the beginning of a word, and can be used. Here example, this is a book. Here the word book. We use article before it, and here the beginning word is B. It is consonant, so we have to use A. And next, she ate an egg. Here noun egg, the word, and we use article before noun here, and the beginning word of this noun is vowel, so we have to use an. That means beginning word, if beginning letter is consonant, we have to use a. If beginning letter is vowel, we have to use an. Dear students, rule 2. If S is sounded at the beginning of a word, article a can be applied. Here, if S sounded at the beginning of a word, article a can be applied. Example, this is a horse. This is a horse. Here, the letter H sounded, horse. The letter H sounded, so we can use, or we have to use article a. If H remains silent at the beginning of a word, N can be applied. Then N can be applied. If H remains, example, he is an honest man. Here, honest is sounded or less, or is silent. Here is silent, so we have to use article N. Dear students, rule 3. At the beginning of a word, if one vowel or maybe use more vowel, when they sound like you, a can be used as article. A can be used as article. Here, he is a university student. He is a university student. Here, you is sound is like you. So here you sound, since here you sounded you, we have to use a. We have to use a as a article. But when you sounded like a, N can be applied as a article. Example, it is an ugly bird. You, here you, ugly bird, here you pronounce a, so we have to like a, so we have to use an article N. Dear students, number 4, when O sounded like O, A can be applied as article. He saw a one-eyed man. Here O, here the word O or letter O sounded like O. He saw a one-eyed man. Here O. O sounded like wa, so we have to use article a. And the next, this is a 1 taka note. Here also 1, here o, pronounce this letter oa, like oa, is sounded like oa, so we have to use this article a. And next, in case of abbreviation, at first letter sounds, if the first letter sounds like vowel, we have to use an. Example, he is an MBA. Here M, the first word, first letter M. Here the first letter M, and it is a consonant, but is first letter pronouns or sounds like a, M, A. It's sound like a vowel, so we have to use an. And next example, he is an MP. Here also first letter M, and it sounded like vowel. So we have to use an, because we know that if in the case of abbreviation, if first letter sound like a vowel, we have to use an. Dear students, attention please. The rules of the, that means definite article before specific singular or plural noun. Before specific plural or singular noun, you have to use the. The boy is playing. Here the boy is playing. Before the name of earth, moon, sun, star, sky, direction, etc. Here example, the sky is blue. We know here the word sky, and it's we have to use article before it. The sun sets in the west. We know it is name of direction, and we have to use article the. And sun, we know that we have to use article the. Before date, he will come here on the 19th December. Before date, we have to use the before date. Before adjective of superlative degree. He is the first boy in the class. Before the name of religions, newspaper, books, ships, etc. Example, the Titanic is no more. We know that Titanic is the name of ship. So we have to use the, because Titanic is the name of a ship. Before the name of nation, the Bangladeshis are hospitable. Here, Bangladeshis is the name of nation. Before the name of sea, bay, ocean, rivers, we have to use the before the names of sea, bay, ocean and rivers. Example, the Jamuna is a big river. Here Jamuna is the name of river, so we have to use article, the definite article. Dear students, you will write down the rules and memorize in your home. Stay safe. No more today. Allah Hafiz. I am going to ending our class. Allah Hafiz.